how to get to your first $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025 using this Google loophole. Now, this can be applied to Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or TikTok ads. It doesn't really matter. In this video, it's going to be about Google pay-per-click ads or Google loophole, because this is a new strategy in 2025. Now, as you can see here are the results in the current week, $2,000, you can see over here, and so on. This is the new account. We are testing in digital products on ClickBank, okay? Those are faceless offers, meaning you don't have to make any videos. You don't have to show your face on camera. All you have to do is have 20 to 30 minutes per day to run those ad campaigns to get profitable, and then scale from there to have sustainable, profitable affiliate marketing system that's working for you. So let me go straight into it. As you can see over here, before we go into it, you can reach out to me here on my Instagram or my Facebook, WhatsApp number, or email. Okay, everything is in the description below, where you can reach out to me if you have any kind of questions. Okay, so now let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, the Google pay-per-click ads. Now, most of the gurus are teaching you the methods that are outdated in 2025. Don't believe me? Try it yourself. Maybe you have bought courses in the past few months, a year ago, on YouTube ads, I don't know, Facebook ads, and it didn't work out like you thought. And again, it's not your fault. And the reason why, if you stay until this end, in the end of this video, is because I'm going to reveal to you so you can discover the exact method, the Google loophole method that is working in 2025. You see over here, right? Most of the gurus are selling you the courses with idea of, okay, create a ClickFunnels account, you're gonna create a funnel or landing page or whatever, right? A tutorial, a blog page, website. Yes, it can work. But as you can see, most of those gurus are teaching you the outdated method, which is get curiosity clicks, meaning there is no sales or conversions at the end when you're sending the traffic. When you're getting eyeballs to your page, there is no buyer's intent, okay? Because if you want to have results in 2025, what you need is buyer's intent. People who have credit cards or debit cards ready to swipe, to buy, okay? So what we do differently is we create buyer's intent with our 5 points of pre-selling. Okay, so when you're running Google pay-per-click ads, what we do differently is we start with 5 to 15 US dollars a day. Sometimes I would say $10 a day. Why? Because we want cost per click to be low and profits to be high. Okay, with of course all the upsells take rate that are happening. So as you can see over here, right, how our buyer's traffic system works. So we have your affiliate link, your website. This is extra bonus. This is a gift for you once you work together one-on-one. We get our private buyers email list, and we send traffic to you so you can get some sales upfront. Okay, now what you do differently is also understanding of backward mechanisms, of positioning of your offer, of structure of the markets. Because if you have ever heard that every market is the same, every niche is the same, it's a big lie. Okay, it's not true. Every market is not the same. The structure, the positioning, everything is different. So once you understand that, you will naturally be able and to get results, and it will allow you to start having really, really great results as a beginner. Okay, you can see the results like here, and then we have another one: how to get like up to $300, $400, even $500 per sale on ClickBank. Easy. You have to have a proven offer that has a high enough upsell take rate, meaning enough people buying the upsells. One person buy all the upsell, you can see $47 front end product, $97 upsell, and second upsell, you're making over basically $300 US per day with one sale. Maybe you spent $40, let's say $50 US in one day, but because of one person out of 10 maybe bought whole upsell take rate, you made $300 back, which is really great for spending $50 or $30 per day. Okay, now you can see some of the results. In 4 days, $6,500 US on, let's say, $600 ad spend. Why? Again, because understanding what offer are proven to work, high enough upsell take rate. Of course, if average order value is high enough, of course you can make good profits. Okay, But if your average order value is really small, too much low, with low ticket, then of course it's struggle to make it work. Okay? Now, why everyone is doing it wrong? As I said before, if you remember, problem with most funnels is they don't create intent. For the sale and conversions to happen, it's not about traffic. You can set millions clicks and it will not work. And you can hit your head against the wall and wonder what the heck I'm doing wrong. And again, it's not your fault because you have been taught outdated methods. You need buyer's intent. Okay, people on Google are searching for education to get informed or to make a buying decision. Okay, so we can nowadays in Google you can use negative keywords, positive keywords. You can have long tail keywords. Okay, so you can make, once you understand who is your audience, what kind of awareness level they are at, you will naturally be able to start understanding, this connect with this, you have a bigger picture, bigger puzzle, and you will naturally be able to finally have daily results. I'm talking about $100 per day, 300 euros per day, or more, right? All this is possible with 20 to 30 minutes of your time, okay? Because once you have, imagine, ads on Google are like your soldiers. They are working for you 24/7. When you go to sleep, the ad campaign is still running. So there is not actual work that you have to put in like a job 9 to 5. No. Once you have a scalable offer, then it's easier and simpler to get results, right? So if you have tried things in the past, maybe you have tried affiliate marketing, you have failed, you lost money, you lost some time, and you're thinking in 2025, should I still give it a shot? You already paid the price. You have paid the price. Maybe not all the money, but also with your time. Okay, maybe you're just this close to breakthrough, this close to opening this loophole, and finally, heck, it clicked for you. You have your first $50 a day. Next day you see, $300 a day. Why? As I said before, if you remember, you can write it down. It's all about the market you're in. Okay? Competition is great. It's not a bad thing. It's a great thing because it shows you there is the big money in the game. Okay? If you know what you're doing, of course. If you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way in 2025. Not just watch some videos, okay, and do nothing, but actually put in action so you can get up and running in the first 3 to 5 days. It's not a magic. It's the solid reality for you as you watch this video. If you're not excuse maker, if you don't wait, procrastinate, make excuses, no, take action now as you watch this video, right? Because as you can see over here, get it up and running, connect, get it done, and you'll be able to start having results. As simple as that. Okay? So 2025, 2026, 2029, you will look back and be thankful that you make the decision now as you watch this video to take action and to get results, because you will be regretting not taking action. This is the golden opportunity for you right now as you're watching this video. Why? Because things will not be that simple as that, like they are now. Everything is laid out for you. Okay, they have thousands of people working on Google every single day for you to be able to wake up, open your laptop, and run some simple Google pay-per-click ads to affiliate offers that are converting really, really well. Okay, so what you do next? Connect with me one-on-one. There is my personal cell phone number. You can text me there, but only if you're serious. Okay, if you don't have any money to invest in yourself, don't reach out to me. Don't waste my time. Okay, and I will not waste your time either. So if you really want results, if you're serious about it, and you see yourself having results, working 30 minutes per day, max an hour, okay, to be able to have something like this, as you can see over here, then let me know. Let me know, and we can make something happen.